the Inglesina Electa, their lightweight pram system. Full travel system, so carry cot, pram chassis you see here, the seat unit that goes on it, there's a car seat, there's an isofix base. If you don't know Inglesina, they're an Italian pram manufacturer. The prams are handmade in Italy. They've been making prams since the mid-60s. They made the big metal ones and they've carried on making them ever since. Big global brand. They make prestige prams. If you've not seen them before, do have a look before you make your final decision. Especially the carry cots. The carry cots have some special features in them for baby's development that have been developed in conjunction with the University Hospital of Bologna, so you've got the medical backing there for the special features in the carry cot. This video isn't about the carry cot, it's about how light the Electa is. It's amazingly light. Even though you've got a full-size carry cot, something to do with how they mount them on, that's another video as well. I'm right-handed, so obviously stronger with my right hand, but if I take my left hand, and this, you don't normally lift a chassis with the carry cot on, you might lift it with the seat on. That's incredibly light. If we take the chassis, I can lift this with one finger. So if you're going to need lightweight, easy to use, quick fold, that will stand and that will fold with the seat on, and it's quickly away again. Seat will go on either way round. Comes with a boot cover that you can see on there at the moment, sort of in the way for me clipping it on. You've got the extending hood, as you probably expect. Really good if you lay it back. You've got plenty of hood, and you've even got a double brim extended sunshade just there, so you can go put that away, you put that away. Sitting the seat up a bit, you can zip up that section. You don't have to have this boot cover on, I'll just pop it off so you can see the seat. You've got adjustable footrest, so it'll go down there. Faces forwards. As you can see, it's all nice and quick and easy, really light. If you want to store it with the seat on and fold it with the seat on, that's also possible. You just put the handle down, fold the seat forward. So that's the Inglesina Electa. The other good thing about it is they do brochures. Pull-out brochure, a small one, and there's a full glossy, which is really nice. There's so many features to take in, you do need the information, you do need to be able to go back to it. Pop down to Baby Gear in Bridport, we're at DT65BU for your maps, pick up some brochures, have a play. We'd love to see you, we'd love to go through it. It generally takes about an hour, interaction, just having fun. We think you're going to love this one. If you need something a bit more off-roady, there is the Aptica XT version from Inglesina. We can have a look at that one as well.